this video, I'm going to discuss, is it still worth really pursuing this industry of residential assisted living facilities and starting your own residential assisted living facility, given the fact that the economy is the way it is and people are having a harder time actually being able to afford a lot of things given the current climate that we're in. So if you're interested, make sure to stick around. What is going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Serge. Welcome to the channel. To all my reoccurring viewers, thank you so much for all the love and support that each and every single one of you guys have shown me. And if you have not yet, make sure to go check out the God Made podcast on most streaming platforms. Also, feel free to go check out LegionAssistedLivingAcademy.com to go and check out the course and the Performa template, also the residency agreement template, or even any of the documentation package that you would need for your own facility. So make sure to go check that out. Also, if you are wanting to book a one-on-one call with myself to discuss your situation and what your goals are within this industry of residential assisted living. Also, if you have not checked out Valley ALF Ventures on Instagram, make sure to go check us out. Also, check out valleyalfventures.com. We have finally revamped our website, so make sure to go check us out. And if you're a limited partner or even a passive investor looking to invest in the space, we would love to have a conversation with you. Also, if you are an operator looking to potentially expand your operations or looking to potentially sell your operations and your facilities, make sure to go reach out to us. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the topic of this video. Now, is starting a residential assisted living facility still worth it now that we're going into 2024 and the current lending environment, especially for SBA financing, which typically a lot of owner occupants actually apply for with the 7A program with SBA and just other type of financing? Is it still worth actually pursuing anything at the current moment that we're in? Now, I would tell you yes. Every time, and any person that you've ever talked to who has had any type of success always started when it was the most turbulent time, meaning the economy wasn't what it should have been. You know, things were a lot more expensive, or we were going into some type of recession, or things were just getting a lot harder for people. So typically in times like we find ourselves in with the current economy and with the current climate, with different wars and different things happening right now in the world and especially in our country, this is when a lot of people, especially big companies and even just smaller business owners, actually take a step back and say, you know what, let's just preserve what we have, try to maintain what we have. Let's not actually try to grow. Now, I would tell you right now would be the ideal time to start a business. And why is that? Reason being is because if you are able to start a business now in this type of environment and in this type of climate, when things do go back to being a lot better, a lot more affordable, the economy is doing a lot better, the world's in a better place overall, you are going to benefit from that, right? Right now, you are able to start things a lot quicker. You're able to start things potentially somewhat cheaper. And when there's people not wanting to expand or start any type of business, is when you are able to grab essentially market share and be able to meet the demand that is out there and provide the services and the supply that is needed. And right now, there's a lot of baby boomers who are actually retiring and selling their businesses, whether it be in the residential assisted living space, whether it be in other types of industries, but they are retiring, right? And they are going to be needing these types of services that residential assisted living or even healthcare is able to provide. So right now is really the best time, in my personal experience, to be expanding. I have been purchasing facilities, have been working with operators who are actually expanding their operations, and they're able to grow their businesses a lot quicker right now because people really aren't looking to do that, right? Their competitors essentially are just kind of putting things on pause. They're just kind of waiting things out, seeing what happens within the next election, seeing where the economy will be a year, 2 years, 3 years from now. But 2-3 years from now, these individuals that are expanding, including myself, are going to be in a way better position to be able to capitalize on people coming back into the market, right? We are able to actually negotiate deals now for cheaper. We're able to get into certain businesses for cheaper and getting better deals. And that is what's going to allow us and allow other individuals to be able to take advantage of that 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road when things essentially go back to normal. And so if you have been on the fence about starting, maybe you're just kind of waiting to see what happens with the economy, maybe you're waiting for interest rates to come down to secure any type of financing, whether that's with SBA or commercial, whatever that is, and whatever route you're looking to pursue, I would tell you right now would probably be a good time to really consider potentially starting. I'll give an example. We actually are working at the moment that I'm filming this video with an individual who will be operating and starting their facility. Now, they have a ton of experience, but they've never operated one themselves. They've just always worked for big box facilities. Now, this individual will be leasing a facility that Valley ALF Ventures, that we will come in and purchase. And given the current lending environment, it's a little hard right now. You know, a lot of lenders are tightening up on their terms, what they're requiring from borrowers, etc. And although we are going to ultimately make this deal work, and we are already in the process, we've already secured the location where they're going to be doing it, and it's an existing location, and the current sellers are just struggling to stay afloat given the fact that they don't have the experience needed to be able to operate. And so that is allowing us the opportunities as buyers to come in and secure a way better deal than when the market was at its top, right? Even a year, 2 years ago, or even what it will be 3, 4, 5 years from now. When the market's at the top, the sellers always feel like they have or sitting on a gold mine. And typically that is the case, especially if it's something that's stabilized, it's doing well. They are, right? They're going to be able to sell that location and that facility at a premium. But given the current circumstances with the lending environment that we're in, them struggling to stay afloat, that's provided an opportunity to make both parties happy, right? We're able to come in and relieve them of their burden, of them struggling, of them having to go through a situation. We're providing an opportunity for somebody like this individual to come in, operate their first business, and it's exciting for them, for us, for all the parties. And even though the current climate, most people would tell you that it's not the right time to buy, it's really not the right time to expand your businesses, expand your operations, so on and so forth, to continue to do deals. But I would tell you, we have been buying through all of 2021, 2022, even this year, and we will continue to buy even through 2024 and beyond, right? With every single year, what you want to be doing is working on expanding or starting more of your businesses. So I would tell you right now, more than ever is the time to start, right? They always say the best time to have started was a year ago, but the second best time to start is today. So just get started, continue working towards educating yourselves, continue to pursue deals, pursue certain facilities, continue looking at other opportunities in the space, right? Other operations, continue doing underwriting, continue doing your market research. And when the time is right, you will be able to actually acquire it. And that is what you want to be doing. So with all that being said, I hope that this encouraged each and every single one of you to continue to pursue your goal of starting in this space. And I hope that this video provided you guys a ton of value. And if it did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure to go check out LegionAssistedLivingAcademy.com. Make sure to go check us out on ValleyALFVentures.com as well. And if you are wanting to book a one-on-one call with myself, the link will be down below or at LegionAssistedLivingAcademy.com. And with all that being said, I will talk to you all in the next one. God bless.